Hello everyone, welcome to another intriguing math problem that promises to simulate your analytical skill. Here is the problem. Suppose x plus 1 over x equals square root 3. What is the value of x power 2023 plus 1 over x power 2023? Before we review the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button and put your problem solving skill to the test. Ready? Take your time, and when you're set, we'll go through the solution together. Let's begin. In our initial approach to tackle this challenging problem, we turn to the binomial theorem. To set the stage, we will focus on the fundamental expression of a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Given x plus 1 over x equals square root 3, by squaring both sides, leading us to the equation x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 3. Simplification allows us to arrive at x squared plus 1 over x equals 1. Building on this newfound expression, we consider the expansion of x squared plus 1 over x squared times x plus 1 over x, which equals square root 3 times 1. On the left hand side, the expansion gives x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 plus x plus 1 over x. Recall that x plus 1 over x equals square root 3. This means that x power 3 plus 1 over square root 3 equals 0. This simplification implies that x power 3 equals negative 1 over x power 3, which gives x power 6 equals negative 1. And finally, lead us to the crucial outcome that x power 12 equals 1. As 2023 can be expressed as 12 multiplied by 168 plus 7, we can break down the calculation. Starting with x power 2023, we can express it as x to the power 12 to the power of 168 times x to the power 7. And this equals 1 to the power of 168 times x to the power of 6 times x, ultimately resulting in negative x. With this, we can conclude that x to the power of 2023 plus 1 over x to the power of 2023 is indeed negative x plus 1 over x, and so it is negative square root of 3. And this is end of method 1. Next, we are now venturing into the fascinating world of complex number and the morph theorem. This second method offers a compelling alternative, ultimately leading to the same elegant solution. Here is a key insight. We can express square root 3 as 2 times square root 3 over 2, which square root 3 over 2 is precisely cosine pi over 6. We define x as cosine pi over 6 plus I sine pi over 6, and hence 1 over x is cosine pi over 6 minus I sine pi over 6. This choice aligns with our equation x plus 1 over x equals square root 3. Now, the morph theorem steps into the spotlight. By applying this theorem, we can calculate x to the power of 12. The following process shows that x power 12 is cosine 2 pi plus I sine 2 pi, which equals to 1. This intermediate result mirrors that what we uncovered in method 1, serving as a critical point in our journey. From this juncture, the subsequent steps are identical to those in method 1, ultimately leading us to the same conclusion. So this is end of method 2. So which method resonates with you the most? Was it method 1 or method 2? Please share your preference and insight in the comment. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Thank you for joining us in this mathematical journey. We hope you enjoyed the video and that it encourages you to embrace the complexity and curiosity that mathematics offers. Until our next adventures, take care and continue exploring the fascinating world of math. Bye bye.